Debbie, excited. Yo. Good morning. Welcome to day 4 of 14 days of quarantine. I know I told you guys that I would be waking up early to see the sunrise, but that didn't happen today because I slept for very long. Anyway, so I'm going to make tea right now in this tiffin box. So we have got this jug, electric jug. We have already boiled some water here. Then we have got chai patti, a tiffin box and a spoon. So let's do it. So got this.
우리는 아까 막 강으로 가면 무거워.
We've got, oh shit, we've got a little bit of, we've got a sugar. Let's pour it in. So you got time at This is my chai. Hindi. Cheers. By the way, guys, good news. So down the road there lives a family, and we talked to them from this balcony itself. That's their house. Not that one. This one. That's their house, and they're going to bring some stuff for us up here. Okay. Hi. Go. Obey. Iye. Bale to dide. Oh why? Do you only Lawrence? Thank you. There.
Sige da sib de ge bang da de phone garo da ni de keri আমি মাজন ফিল্টার আগে আমার তো একাই নিরিং সাথে দুজনে মকি এই
উনি বেলা রেখে চলে
মুই মা কই
Oh my god. Debbie, excited. Yo. Oh my god. Wow. Mango. Hagozi. Yeah. Maggie.
Anaros.
Wow. Oh, boda. Mangi makke. Oh. Halap turun tol. I mean Lawrence. Thank you so much to your family. Okay. Joren sakoi bigun. This is my favorite. Boiled chicken. Oh my god. Oh, kurera ucce. Pachuri. Yay. Okay. Mukbang. Literally the best food I've ever had in the longest time. Thank you so much, Lawrence and family.